Okay, I had an issue when I was recording the video, but I already sent the fund now, which I'm going to go back to ByBit to confirm that I've made payments. Payment completed. If the person asks for receipt, then I can do a screenshot of how the payment went here. Details, sending. So as soon as the person gets it, he's going to confirm. The the basic reason why I'm doing this video is because Binance actually removed Wise and Wise Instant Payment from their platform. So you cannot use your dollar fund in your Wise to buy any form of crypto. You can't use it anymore. And speaking with their support, they didn't give me any timeline when it will be returned back. You can see it's not found. So instead of sticking to Binance and worrying about your transaction, you can easily come to ByBit.com or use my referral link below to sign up of the website and make sure you verify this. About a year ago, when I discovered Wise, I told people to jump on Wise, but they ignored it, and right now Wise is very, very challenging to get on and to verify. As soon as you do this thing, whatever happens after that, you are protected because you've already verified your account. So now, how did I get to this place? How did I purchase this Bitcoin? Let me take you through the process within 2 minutes. Okay, let's go. So I've done trading here. So I'll be going back to, okay, maybe later they want me to trade future. I don't know how to trade future. When you get to ByBit and you sign up and you've done your necessary registration, I did a video, but the audio is not good. Maybe I'll do another video. I'm already logged in. You come to buy crypto. That's where you see the P2P. You click on P2P. Note, make sure you change your currency you can see it's from NG because I registered with Ania. So you change it to USD. When you change it to USD, then you come to payments. You can see Wise. You select Wise. That will give you the opportunity to pay with Wise and you get your coin. And that's how I got that $283 worth of BTC. So this is what I want to do. I want to convert that. I want to sell my USDT to get Naira. So this is what I'm going to do. Change it back to UND and click on sell here. One funny thing about ByBit is you have to select the bank you are using. You can add many banks. So I use GT Bank. So I'm selecting GT. So it will give me sellers that also use GT so as to get sorry about that. So as to get fast transaction. So you know the worth of what you are buying. No, the worth my worth is not up to 50. Okay, so I'll just go with, let me check their stats. Okay, I think I can still go with this. Let me see what it's saying. Okay, you can see if you do not have any of the seller, the buyer's account, it's not going to give you this option. So that's why I select GT. Okay, I'm selling all. So this is how much I will be getting. In total, and it's going to pay me before I release the coin. You can see he has verified all is necessary to verify. Fast transaction, drop phone number and stay online. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell for him and I will drop my number in the chat box. Okay, he's asking for my phone password. That's one of the secured way. So you can see ByBit said they will not be responsible for any loss of damage caused by transaction conducted or initiated outside the platform. So whatever you want to do it on this platform. I would advise you not to go out of this platform. It's for your own sake. So I'll just be waiting for his alerts to get in. The moment the alert gets in, then I will release the coin. I'll pause the video and we'll get back later. Okay, you just click that he has made payment. So you can see, make sure your remarks sensitive word is when transferring. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to check my bank and confirm if he has actually made payment or not. So if I don't see the equivalent amount we are talking about, I will not release coin. So I don't get email alert, I don't get text alert, so I get email alert. I will just check my email now. I'm checking my phone now. You can see. So I didn't get the email alert, so I had to check my bank account, and I can see the credit in my credit history, which is a good one. Okay, so I think, let me see. These are the kind of people I really don't like to trade with, because there's 97 kobo on the account and he didn't bother to pay it. What excuse will you say? CBN is still banning crypto? No. So if you cannot pay it, why not round it up to 1? So that will be 335. Then when you give them bad review, they will come to your inbox and start asking questions. It's an act of fraud. I believe my account people understand that. Anyway, so process to release coin. Okay. So this is the phone password I created. Instead of me going through verification all the time, don't save. Successful. Good. So I think they will ask me for a review. I'm going to leave a positive review for him, but I'm still going to state it clearly there for other people in future. I believe it was taught out to round up numbers. If it's below 5, I would not even worry about that. But that's 97 kobo. It's a whole lot of money. So that's it with trading your Wise fund on ByBit. You can also trade derivatives. For people that know how to trade future, I don't know it. And so many other things you can see. You can even copy trade, but good luck, I don't know about it. And don't forget, you can use my ByBit referral link in the description below. You also benefit from it, and always stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful holiday season.